Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about lithium carbonate, an important medicine for treating some mental health conditions. If you're interested in knowing how it works and when it's used, this video is for you. Lithium carbonate is mainly used for bipolar disorder. It helps to stabilize mood swings. It can also be used to prevent episodes of mania or depression. For example, if you have frequent episodes of mania, your doctor might prescribe this medicine. But how exactly does lithium carbonate work? Simply put, this medication affects the central nervous system. It helps balance brain chemicals that influence mood and behavior. Regarding dosage, it's very important to follow your doctor's instructions exactly. Normally, you start with a low dose and gradually increase it. The maintenance dose varies from person to person, but it's important to take it at the same time every day to keep the levels in your blood steady. Now, let's talk about side effects. Some people may experience nausea, tremors, or feel thirsty. You need to take some precautions, like not eating a lot of salt and drinking plenty of water. You should never stop taking the medication without consulting your doctor because you could have a relapse. In short, lithium carbonate is an effective medicine to manage bipolar disorder, but it must be used carefully and always under a doctor's supervision. Always follow your doctor's instructions and let them know about any side effects you experience. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more health content. See you next time.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.